on it. The three line, click on it. So you have what? You have save, you have save as, share, export PDF. You can see it the same way on my laptop. Now click on save. Click on save. Now you see my name is blah blah blah, right? Click on save. You see my name is blah 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 downstairs. Inside. Or it was so it can make so many things for you. Molote. Now you go to my documents. Click on my documents. My name is Adag. You see many things like that. Now delete whatever you are seeing. Backspace. Delete backspace. Whatever you are seeing there. Now type your full name. Backspace and 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 type your full name. Type your full name. Click on my document, and type your full name. Type your full name. Type your full name. Not my name is your backspace everything and type your full name. I'm still seeing my name is there. I said backspace everything and type your full name. So after typing your full name, you see the arrow key. That's something that is marking like that. That's something I see my marking. That man on your tab. Don't highlight is this to be by. Are we ready to save now? If you don't conclude, be by. If you don't conclude, be by. If you don't like the elegant, no more to it. Click on it. Have you clicked on it? Now be able to save. Now click on save. Yes. So Lori, okay. You now see what? You see your name. Exactly. So that means you are saved automatically. Save. That's good. Yeah, click on save. Yeah, click it.
Help me to press on what this has to press, man.
So by the time you have said now, that's it. You see